In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a windshield washer motor on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located in the front left of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to reach down in front here using a 13mm wrench. We're going to remove the bolt for the bottle. Remove the bolt. We're going to remove the connector off of our line, push up on the tab right here, pull straight off, pull that connector back. Now we're going to move this harness back out of the way, reach down to the horn connector and remove it. We're going to push on that white tab, pull straight back and remove that connector. I'm going to use a 13mm wrench and reach all the way down to the bottom nut for the horn. Remove the nut for the horn. Remove the horn. We're going to remove the connector for our washer motor. It's this blue connector all the way on bottom right here. We're going to pull up on the tab towards the rear of the vehicle, pull straight up and remove that connector. Here's your tab, push on your thumb, pull straight back, pull that up and out of the way. We're going to remove the connector for the master cylinder. We're going to reach down right here, pull on the tab, pull straight out, remove the connector, and put it off to the side. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to remove the nuts on either side of the master cylinder. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the two nuts. Pull the master cylinder straight forward off of the two studs. And we're going to pull this over to the side. Pull the windshield washer bottle straight up and out. And we have a hose on the bottom of it for the motor. Give this hose a twist and pull it off. Remove the windshield washer motor out of the bottle. Push straight out. Pop it. And I will give it a little wiggle and a pull and remove the motor. Install the motor into the washer bottle. Install it down in first and then pull it towards you until it snaps into place. Install the hose onto the washer bottle assembly. Make sure it's fully seated. Install the washer bottle down into place. Be sure that the two grommets on the bottom are sitting. Install the master cylinder back into place and get the nuts started on either side. Install the nuts onto the master cylinder on either side. Go on either side and snug the nuts down. Get them nice and snug. Do the same thing on the other side. Torque the master cylinder nuts to 27 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can and repeat the same thing on the other side. Install the connector for the master cylinder. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Pull this wire harness over, and we have a plastic stay on it we can attach to our brake line. Install the connector for the washer bottle. Push down until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the horn down into place. Get the nut started. Snug the nut down. Get it nice and tight. Grab the connector for the horn. Get it installed. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Pull the harness over for our line. Push until you hear a click. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the bolt for the washer bottle. Kind of have to sneak it into place. Get it started by hand and snug it down. Get it nice and snug, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.